Hi everyone, here we will discuss the handling of exceptions in Java programming. The exceptions are categorized into checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. Here the parent class is the exception and child classes are checked exceptions. These are all child classes from the checked exceptions, child classes from the unchecked exceptions. Here these exceptions can be handled by three different approaches. One is try catch block or finally block or throw and throws keyword. First we will discuss about try catch block. The try statement is allowing to define the block of code to be tested for errors when it is executing. So the block is started with try keyword, then open curly braces for the starting of the statements which is writing inside the try block, then we are ending that try block by using closing curly braces. Then we will have the partner of this try block is catch block, right? The catch statement is allowing to define a block of code to be executed if an error is occurring inside the code which is testing inside the try block. Then this will give the notification to the user what is the error occurred in this code which is writing inside the try block. We will see the examples here. What is the need of try catch block? Whenever user is writing the program, he should be take care of that exceptions which are rising inside the program. If, for example, if user declaring an array with size 3, for example, the array is having the three values index 0 1 2, so by default it will assign the length of the array is 3, but he is trying to access the fourth element of the array. You look at that here, he is accessing the fourth index value, but here there is no 3 and 4th indices in the declared array. Then there is the possibility of exception array index out of bounds. That means array is having only 3 indices, right? 0 1 2, but here we are accessing the fourth index, but fourth index is out of this limit, okay, out of this bound, so automatically it is raising the exception. So what will you get when you are executing the program? Here the successfully compiled the program, when you are running the program, automatically the exception in thread main java.language.array index out of bounds is raised. What is the reason? Index 4 is out of bounds for the array length is here 3. So that is the issue here, that your accessing index value is out of the limit of your array length. So that is the meaning here. Then how do we handle this? So here, even though error is there or exception is there, I want to successfully execute this program, right, without discontinue the execution. So here the execution is interrupted. I want to run the program without interruptions. Then we can go ahead with try catch block. So here now I am going to write the code, right, which is having the errors. So this portion is having the errors in the code. So I will write this code inside the try block. So I am introducing the try block here after the main method, then open curly braces, I am writing these two statements inside the try block. So try block is closing here. Then the partner of the try block is catch, which is catching the errors which are raised by these statements. Then that will be stored in the object E, right? So then I am giving the notification to the user something went wrong. If you want to execute this program, you see it is successfully executed, right, without any interruptions which happened in the previous program. So here interruption happened, but in the below code there is no interruption, successfully executed by handling those exceptions raised in this code. Okay, so this code is having the exception, right? Suppose if you want to know what is available in this E, you can simply print the E instead of this statement. Then you will get to know what is the value stored in this E, right? So this is the purpose of try catch blocks to right, which is executing the program without any interruption. Now we will see another one example which is having the name arith main method. Inside that I am introducing the try block. Inside the try block I am declaring the integer variable x, and which is having the values 30 is divided by 0. Actually numerical number should not be divided by 0. Then if it is raising any error or exception, then it will handled by using the catch block, right? It is caught by catch block. So here that is belonging to the arithmetic exceptions, because it is division operation. Division operation is one of the arithmetic operation, so which is available in the arithmetic exception class. Then the value is stored here, right? Whatever exception raised, that value is stored here, then it is printing. You look at here, the java.language.arithmetic exception class, which is handling the error, right, by giving the notification to the user division by 0. Okay, the division by 0, this is the value stored in the object variable E, which is created by using the arithmetic exception class. Then if you are introducing one more statement for notifying to the user, so this is the statement. Additionally we are going to notifying to the user. Then after adding this, if you are compiling the program, successfully compiled here, then when you are running the program, it is displaying the statement for this E, and here one more notification statement division by 0 is displaying to the user. So this is also one of the example for unchecked exception by using the try catch block. And another one example here, number ex, by using the try catch block, main method is there. Then I am defining the variable integer n. Then here I am trying to get the user defined input by using the scanner class, then which is using for input purpose system.in. While true, then we are entering the value, enter any valid integer, right? We are introducing the try block here. Inside that two statements are there. If any errors are occurred or exceptions are occurred in this code, then it will be caught by catch block, right? So since here I am asking to enter the valid integer, only integer number has to be entered here, right? If there is any invalid integer, then it has to be raised the number format exception. If you are entering the alphabets a b c instead of integer 33 or 37 like that, then you will get the error here, exceptions here, that should be handled by catch block. Then that error will be stored in the object E, then it will print that error. We will see that code execution here. You see, we are compiling the code, successfully executed, I mean compiled. Then this statement is coming into the picture. While it is true, enter any valid integer, yes. Then I am entering through the scanner class, next class. So here it is receiving the input 32a. By mistake I entered alphabet here instead of the integer, right? So here which is raising the error, okay, exception, number format exception. Then this is the value which is stored here, okay, 32a. So this is the value stored here for string input string 32a, which is stored in the E. So this statement is executed. Then second statement is number format exception is occurred, so this is executed. Again the while loop is this is while loop is here, right? So again going back, while it is true, yes it is true, then enter valid integer. Now I am entering the valid integer 32 here. Then now which is not raising the exception, so next statement is executing. The next statement is entered integer is 32, so which is displayed here. Then we are breaking the program execution, then it is coming out of the loop. So here you should observe that if you are entering any symbols or alphabets instead of the valid integer, then you will get exception. That exception belongs to number format exception. Thanks for watching.